Here they come. Here they come. Okay, they're out in the sky. I'm excited. I had to run. I stepped back here. I was doing something and I'm out of breath from running. I'm shaking. Woo! Look at them. All right, let me go back on regular. Oh, my Lord. This is a big hive. I've got lemongrass on my fingers. I'm working on new traps. I don't want to attract them over to me. Get in the wrong spot. Wow. That's a pretty big hive. I'm going to say, oh gosh, I'm guessing, but 30,000? Woo! Yes. 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 Woo! Trap number 3. That's how they were kind of acting yesterday. I just can't believe they keep coming. I don't know if that's going to hold them all. They should have picked one of my bigger traps. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. Amazing. I just love it. That's wild. You'd think I'd never seen it before, but I have. But you never quit being amazed by it. It's right over my greenhouse. My first swarm of the year. This is so much fun. Well, they're piling up on the tree bark because it's taking them a little while to get into the hole. There's so many at one time. Yeah. Piling up on that. This is a really big swarm. I was expecting a small to medium size. Yay! Yay! Yes. I've got it all on that trail cam too. I mean surveillance cam. It's recording right now. Close up and personal. Wow, this is a huge hive. I sure wished they would have picked out one of my bigger traps. Let's see. Huge. And they're still up in the sky. Let me take the focus out. I mean zoom. Wow. Still quite a few up in there, but not as many. This is fun. I love watching them move in. Okay, I went and washed my hands real quick. I had been baiting traps. Had strong lemongrass all over my fingers. Well, some of them's over there in the orange trap. Well, put my hand in my pocket, they can still smell it. It's getting on my fingers. I don't want to attract them to me. I want them to get in the right bucket. Those box traps up there on the top are pretty big. There's a couple of them checking out those big box ones, but for now, they're loading up in the one they're supposed to get in. The one they picked was a gray one. But then over here next door to the gray one is the orange trap, which I hadn't got much attention on. But they could be the ones that are confused, because that does happen. And after these get all moved into there, the confused ones will come over here and they'll get in and join with them, because they won't separate. There's just a few confused ones, because they're all my traps are scented. That's a big hive. Yes, a big swarm hive. But yeah, a bunch of them's going up in that orange one. So much fun. I know my hands are shaky. Well, that's because I stepped back here to I was bringing something back here anyway, and I said I heard a swarm, and I was like, what? And I looked up in the air, and here they were, and they was coming down. So I got so lucky, because I was thinking about going in and taking a break. I've been out working all day. Of course, I was going to check the cameras. That's what I do when I'm in the house. Those are the last. It's funny to see the last ones coming. It's like they're hopping off the trees. That's what it looks like. It's about 20 at a time, kind of hopping. I think I can get a little closer now. Here we go. This is awesome. So much fun. And let's look over here at this orange one. These are the ones that are confused. Only because it's scented. And the other one's scented as well. But, okay. So, be sure to move. I'm going to move this orange one. I don't want them this close together where there's a confusion problem. This is just awesome. They're still coming out of the sky. Wow. It's endless supply bees. Get in there. It's taking them a while. Wow. If you was guessing, I'm guessing That's not quite a half a bucket of bees. It kind of looks like it, but it's not. They'll fit in there fine. 5-gallon buckets are what we normally use for traps, besides the wooden boxes, and even those are nukes. They're smaller size. I know my hand's a little shaky. It was real shaky after I got through running, but I've calmed down since then. Had to run in there and get my camera, my phone. I didn't have it on me. Had to go in the house and get it. Take them a little while, probably about half an hour to get in there. All my most luck on getting swarms in during the day is 2 or 3 o'clock. That's just been my, here in Texas, my, seem to be time every time, between 2 and 3.